What's up, guys? I got a special review for you. It's something out of the norm. I think you'll like it, though, so stay tuned in. Let's get it. All right, right now, we got something. I do not know where it's from. We'll find out together. Uh-oh. It is a low or a mid or something, huh? Okay, it is a Air Jordan 1 mid. SC. Box reads light bone / black Claire Nior. All right, so jumping in this right here, guys. Still don't know what it is. Got the gold 23 paper. Ah, you see it. You see it. The camo joints. Let's pull these out and look at them. You see it. You got the black outer going to the white mid with the camo white and black, like a flat black on the leather, going around to the white toe box. And rotating around, you got your glossy patent leather right here. You got the camo on the back. Now, this camo is not leather. It's the same material they've been using a lot of the mids and the lows lately. And this is the same as well. This is not leather. This is more cushion up here. It's a lot of good support up here at the top. You got your Jumpman on the front right here. And let's get a look at the other one. Now, this did not come with another set of shoestrings. It's just one pair of shoestrings. But it is a fire Jordan. I'm not really that into camo, but I pulled the trigger because I don't have none. So we went ahead and got these. You got your Jordan wings right here. Rotating around, you got this kind of like a suede type material. It's a rough suede though, guys. It's I don't even know what you call that, to be honest. Got the cushion up top. The leather is only the white and the black, and it's the gloss leather and the kind of semi wannabe tumble right down here. And then your really hard leather right here. It is not very good quality. I mean, it's mediocre. Nothing to write home and brag about. But it's a pretty fly shoe overall. These just came out. I did see them in the store today. But these came out. I didn't know they were on the store. I just pulled the trigger. And when I got to the store, I seen a lot of them on the wall. So, guys, this is a pretty nice shoe. Like I said, it's a smooth leather to a rough wannabe tumble right here. This is more the glossy right here on the black leather. This is a suede type material on the back of the heel. On the top, this is cushiony. You can see it. Really good ankle support system up here. Nothing really spectacular. It is a very nice shoe. No extra shoestrings. One set. And it has the sail Jumpman. It's actually called a bone colorway. So, and then of course you got your embedded wings right here. So here's a slow 360 of this shoe. It is a mid. Price point is at $125. Very, very, very nice shoe for a mid, you know. I like mid. I've been buying a lot of mids and lows, as you know. So it's just what I like. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to hit the sack. I've had a long couple days. I've been doing a lot of work, and I have a ton of boxes to go through, and I will be going through them the next few days. I'm going to do the metallics tomorrow, and I got a lot of more surprises in store for you guys. So stay tuned, and till next time, let's get it.